So this video is just a little video about mod and div, or about integer division and modular division in Python. So this is something they seem to quite like asking in the exam paper, and they might describe this as div or mod in the pseudocode in the exam paper. So you can see we've got two variables, num1 and num2, and we've just given them some integer values. So then we're doing an ordinary division here. So that's num1 divided by num2. We're just printing out the division result. We're then using the double backslash there, which gives us the integer division. So this is going to print out the integer division. And we're using the percent operator there. So num1 percent num2. And that's going to find the modular division, or the remainder. That'll find the remainder for us. So if we run the program, it's going to come up with us. The division is 1.33, so 4 divided by 3 is 1.33 recurring. The integer division is just 1 because we throw away that remainder, that's gone. And then the modular division is remainder 1 because there's 1 left over when we divide 4 by 3. So there's 1 left over for that. So we could change the numbers a bit. So we change the numbers to 5 and 3, and then we run that again. Then we've now got the actual division as 1.66 recurring. Integer division is still 1 because there's just one whole number. Remainder is now 2 because there's a remainder of 2 between these numbers. So if we divide 5 by 3, there's 2 left over. And indeed, if we go for that again and change the number to 6, then our integer division's 2, our normal division's 2, and there's now no remainder because there's no remainders between these numbers anymore. So sometimes you can use this to find out whether our whole number division works. So we could change that to 2, and that one to 7, and give it another run. And our division's 3.5, integer division's 3, remainder again 1. So this is something that you ought to be familiar with. It's useful for the exam. You might want to practice a little program that just does something like this to show the difference. And you could experiment with those numbers then to see what happens.